When it comes to RV and trailer tire covers, owners tend to be split down the middle. Some prefer to have them, while others think they're a useless accessory. If your RV is stored outside for an extended period of time, RV tire covers are probably a great option for you. They give great protection against UV rays and other environmental factors, and intense weather, such as heat, cold, ice, snow, and rain. Today on Maintenance Monday, we're going to be checking out some RV tire covers our friends at DEDC Auto sent us over to review. Let's head outside and check out these tire covers.
It must be Maintenance Monday. Woo! Let's get to work. So we bought these Tomax STRs back in California when we had almost a blowout. We had like a bubble on the side of the tire. If you guys watched that video, you know that I am crazy about tires. I spent 10 years on the road driving trucks. The most damage that I saw was caused by tire blowouts, and it was caused mostly by purchasing cheap tires, but also by sun rot. And so what we're doing today is we're talking about covering up your tires to keep them from being exposed to the sun. This company DEDC was kind enough to send us their tire cover for free, so thank you. One thing to consider when you're looking at tire covers is it needs to breathe. So this is open in the back, so it's going to get plenty of air. If you put a tire cover on it and it's not a breathable tire cover, then they can get mold and rust, and nobody wants that. So we got to keep the sun off of them, we got to keep the mold off of them, and the rust off of them. This is ideally what you want to do. So you take this tire cover here, got your straps, and you just drape it over the tires. So you just drape it over like this, making note of where this is. You can see this seam here. That's the top outside of the tire. Just like that. I'm really impressed by the quality of this cover. They did a really good job. Way to go, DEDC. Thank you. Oh, here's the hard part. Because of the wind, I gotta get this all the way around to the other side. Oh. Yeah, there's not much to it. The whole concept is you just want to get the sun off your tires because the sun degrades everything, especially rubber. So this is going to save our tires when we're ready to go again. We take these off, throw them in the trailer, and the tires will be like they're brand new, assuming they're within their date range. Oh. They also included this neat little cover for your tongue jack, so check this out. Put this over it, like so. Tighten it down, and then bonus, when we put everything away, this bag will store it all. I was just looking at the inside of this. It's got good stitching, it's got felt on the inside. Looks like a quality product. I like it. And once again, we'll just repeat for the other side what we did over there. It's got this elastic band to it, which is really nice. It's gonna hold it on there when it gets windy. The last thing you want is put this on and then leave it alone for months and come back to find it's fallen off. All right, thanks DEDC, great product. Thanks for solving my problem, I appreciate that.
A few cons to RV tire covers are that they tend to be expensive. There's the hassle of putting them on and taking them off. Every time you stop, they can be loud and noisy in the wind if they don't fit correctly, and they take up extra storage space. The great thing about these DEDC tire covers that were sent over by the DEDC Auto team is that they're only $53.99 for the 2-piece tire cover and the tongue jack cover. The tongue jack cover also doubles as a storage bag for these, which is great for storage options. And as you see in our video, our tire covers fit snugly, so there will be no wind noise. They've got one buckle in the back, making them very easy to put on and take off. Overall, we think these will be a great fit. We'll give them a trial run in this hot Florida heat and see how well they hold up over the next few weeks. If you're interested in purchasing these specific RV tire covers, we've provided a link in the description below. Or shoot us a comment and we'll let you know where you can find them. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content just like this. If you enjoy these reviews, let us know and we'll try to do more of them for you.
Well, that's the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed it because I sure enjoyed making it. Remember, I'm not an expert in this field. I'm just doing stuff from my own experience. In reality, I really don't know what I'm talking about. So do your research, do your homework, make sure you're doing it right yourself. Hey, let me tell you about Travel Tuesdays. If you enjoyed this stuff, Tuesdays, every single week, we release a video of all the wonderful places that we go. So check them out. They're right here. Yeah, right there. Over there. Somewhere around here. That's the one.